Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a shape appear behind another in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Shapes option. Then insert some shapes. Now I select the oval shape and draw it. Then we again draw another shape. Click the rounded rectangle and draw this. Now we click the rounded rectangle and go to the format menu. Then change the shape fill color. Click the shape fill and choose any color. Move this rounded rectangle on the circle and click the circle and go to the format menu. Then click bring forward and choose bring to font, and otherwise you font this rounded rectangle. Click the rounded rectangle and select bring font. Now we can see here we make shape appear behind another very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.